Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our unit 6, lesson number 1, which is alphabet song. It is actually a poem. It is alphabet song. So, what is the spelling of alphabet song? ALPHABET, alphabet, SONG, song. Alphabet song. What is our lesson name? Alphabet song. Okay, now let's start our lesson. First point is LISTEN, listen, comma, REPEAT, repeat, comma, READ, read, AND, add, SING, sing. Listen, comma, repeat, comma, read and sing. Okay, let's start our lesson. Start our poem, sorry. AATE, eight, AN, APPLE, eight, eight and apple. Next line. BOUNCED, bounced. BALL, ball. B bounced a ball. Next line. CUT, cut. ACARROT, carrot. And C cut a carrot. And last line of this stanza. DRESSED, dressed. DOLL, D dressed a doll. In next stanza we will read the first line. EATS, ets, EGGS, eggs, EATS, eggs, and FALLS, falls, FLAT, flat. F falls a flat. Next line. GROWS, grows. GRAPES, grapes. And HHANGS, hangs. HAT, hat. Okay. E adds egg and F falls flat. G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. In third stanza, let's read it. IS, on, and ISLAND, island. Okay, I is on an island. Next line. JUMPS, jumps. And JOGS, jogs. J jumps and jogs. Next line. KEEPS, keeps. KITTENS, kittens. And LIFTS, lifts. LOGS, logs. Okay, in the next page. MAKES, max. MISTAKES, mistake. Makes, mistake. Next line. NEEDS, needs. NURSE, nurse. And need a nurse. Next line. OBEYS, obeys. ORDERS, orders. And obeys, orders. And PATCHES, patches. PURSE, purse. P patches a purse. In next stanza, let's read it. QUEUED, queued. UP, up. QUICKLY, quickly. Queued up quickly. Next line. ROLLED, rolled. And ROSE, rose. Next line, spoke, spoke, slowly, slowly, and touched, touched, his, toes, t touched his toes. In the next stanza, U uses, uses, and umbrella. U uses an umbrella. V has a wallet. Van. V has wallet van. Next line, W washes, windows. W washes windows. Next is whenever he can. Okay. In last stanza, hides, in boxes. X hide in the boxes. Y says, yummy, and you. Y says yummy and you. Next line, Z says, says, zig, zag, zoom, zigzag, zoom. Next line, hurray, hurray, we are throughout. In this way you read the poem, all of you. After that we will understand the poem. Okay, listen here, everyone, listen carefully. The alphabets here make some fun. So which alphabet, which fun making here? Let's read it. A ate an apple, means that A ate an apple. म्हणजेच काय, तो A जो आहे इथे काय करतोय, ॲपल खातोय. नेक्स्ट लाईन, बी बाउन्स अ बॉल. सी हिअर, बी बाउन्स अ बॉल, म्हणजे हा जो बी आहे तो काय करतोय, एक फनी गेम म्हणून तो काय करतोय, बॉलला बाउन्स करतोय, बॉल आपटतोय. नेक्स्ट लाईन, सी कट अ कॅरेट. Look here, C, this C letter is cut here, the carrot. Understand? And D dressed a doll. That D alphabet is dressed a doll. म्हणजे तो काय करतोय, बाहुलीला कपडे घालतोय. In the next line, which is E eats an egg. What he doing? Which E alphabet, what he doing? E alphabet ate a egg. Next is F falls a flat. F falls a flat. Next, G grows a grapes. Look here, this G letter grows here a grapes. In next line, H hangs a hat. What he doing? H letter is hang a hat. म्हणजेच काय करतोय तो इथे, जी आपली हॅट आहे ती काय करतोय, अडकवतोय. After that we will see the next stanza, which is I is on an island. I is on a island. Next is JUMPS, jumps and jogs. He enjoy himself. J letter, enjoy his letter, that's why he jumped and jumped again. Next is K keeps kitten. K keeps kitten. There here, K take care of this kitten. First, here are the two kittens. First is here and another one is here. All of you see here. Next is L lifts a log. L लिफ्ट्स अ लॉग मीन्स काय करतोय, एल जो लेटर आहे तो काय करतोय, ही लिफ्ट्स अ लॉग मीन्स काय करतोय, तो लाकडाचा ओंडका त्याने काय केलेला आहे, उचललेला आहे. ओके, ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज लेट्स सी. Okay, look here all of you. M make mistake. Okay, M do his homework and he make mistake in his homework. After that what happened next? N needs a nurse means N needs a nurse. After that O obeys the order. O काय करतोय, orders follow करतोय. P patches a purse. P patches a purse. Next stanza. क्यू क्यूड अ क्विकली. क्यू काय करतोय, हा इथे क्विकली काय करतोय, लाईन बनवण्यासाठी पळतोय. आर रोल्ड अ रोज. व्हॉट ही डुईंग, आर रोल्ड अ रोज. नेक्स्ट इज एस स्पोकन स्लोली. एस स्पोकन व्हेरी व्हेरी स्लोली. टी टच्ड हिज टोज. टी काय करतोय, इथे त्याच्या पायाच्या बोटांना म्हणजे टोजना काय करतोय, हात लावतोय. नेक्स्ट लाईन. नेक्स्ट स्टांजा. You uses umbrella. Look here, you uses his umbrella. Okay, next time. We has violet van. V ने काय घेतलेला आहे, V जवळ काय आहे, ही violet कलरची व्हॅन आहे. W washes a window. What he doing, what is the W letter doing, he washes the windows. Okay, next, in the next line. X hide a boxes. X eat hide in the boxes मीन्स काय करतोय, X इथे ह्या बॉक्समध्ये लपून बसायला चाललेला आहे. नेक्स्ट, Y says yummy and you. ओके, Y later take a some food and he said it's so yummy and you. And Z says zig zag zoom. Z says zig zag zoom. Okay, and it is our poem. We already read it. Okay, so everyone understand how to make the fun, the alphabet letters, how to make the fun. Okay, they are making so much fun in this poem. Understand everyone? Thank you.